There is a silence in our home now that echoes. There is a silence in our home now that echoes. It is a heavy, profound quiet where your laughter used to live. My soul knows a new, raw footprint, a landscape of loss shaped entirely by your absence. In losing you, I have lost the compass by which I navigated the world. The pain is a constant, low harm. I find myself turning to share a thought with you, only to find empty space. I reach for you in the night and find cold sheets. The small sacred rituals of our life, the shared glances over the children's heads, the soft conversations after long days, the simple act of carrying a moment of facial care together are now aching memories. I am a man learning to walk with a weight he can never put down. But hear this, my love, and hold it close in your eternal rest. My commitment to our children is now the very engine of my life. They are our living legacy, the most precious pieces of you left on this earth. I want you to have a divine peace in your spirit because my commitment to you, for our children, Sky and Denise, starts that I will always respect their decisions to the best of their interest, while also jealously guarding the love you instilled in our family. I will guard their hearts with a ferocity you would recognize. I will be fortress against the world's storms, ensuring they never doubt for a single moment that they are cherished, wanted, and adored. The boundless, effortless love you poured into them will now flow through me, doubled in its intensity